I hit the gym every morning. I am hitting the books for my exam right now. I have just hit my personal best. I have been hitting the same target for weeks. I hit a home run yesterday. I was hitting the brakes when the deer appeared. I had hit the deadline before anyone else. I had been hitting the trails every weekend for months before the marathon. I will hit the road at 6 tomorrow. I will be hitting golf balls at the range this afternoon. I will have hit my savings goal by December. By June, I will have been hitting the pool daily for a year.